Give your Mercedes E63 the ultimate treatment at Mactec Enterprises. Our premium compound and complete detailing service is designed to restore and enhance your vehicle's exterior shine and interior comfort. With our advanced compounding techniques, we effectively remove scratches, swirl marks, and oxidation, leaving your paint with a deep, flawless finish. And exterior detailing ensures a spotless, refreshed look, making your Mercedes feel brand new. Using high-quality products and expert craftsmanship. Long-lasting shine, protection, and perfection.